few words about trading accounts. As I said at the beginning, from my experience, not all business owners realize that preparation of income tax return includes putting together your trading accounts in the first place. That's the most important thing you start with, because this is the calculation of your trading profits or losses. And some business owners think, okay, so the most important document is tax return. I will fit in some figures. No, the accounting has to be done first. The bookkeeping has to be done first. You have to do your trading accounts to find out how much profit you have made. So what are trading accounts? These are final reports, in other words, financial statements produced after the year end on the basis of your bookkeeping records. These financial statements consist of, first of all, profit and loss account. So this is the statement showing your sales revenues on one side and then expenses deducted from sales revenues, and finally you arrive at the profit or loss figure. So most of you are probably familiar with this term. The next very important one is balance sheet. It's not so straightforward. So just to highlight that this is the statement showing your cash and other assets against your liabilities and capital. So as I said earlier, during this masterclass, we are not going to cover the preparation of trading accounts, financial statements, because this is a material for a wider, deeper training and requires at least fundamental bookkeeping knowledge. I am planning to deliver such a training soon, so please if you are interested, please keep an eye on updates from me. Today, I'm going to show you how the figures from final trading accounts fit into the income tax return. So we are going to assume that your trading accounts are done. If they were done by your bookkeeper, your accountant, or yourself, they are done and finished, and I will show you how they fit into the tax return. I'd like to give you some advice on how to effectively prepare your trading accounts, year-end financial statements. So first of all, proper bookkeeping. That's number one. Regularly keep record of your spending, expenses, and earnings, and register all purchase and sale invoices and receipts. The best approach is to schedule some time, even one day every week, and go through all your invoices and receipts from that week, from last week, in small pieces. It's much more efficient than doing it once a year. Believe me, doing it once a year, it's too big a task, and no one wants to do it. Usually there is no time to do it. You are doing it last minute. That's not a good approach. Do it regularly. A good advice is also to keep a separate bank account for your business and personal money. This way, you will have better control over the performance of your business. At the end of the year, you need to gather all bank statements for the whole year, and the best way is to download the list of transactions from your online banking. Everyone should have access to their online banking nowadays, and PDFs are one form, yes, but they are not necessary really. Every online banking system has an option to download a list of transactions for a certain period in a spreadsheet. Usually it is a CSV format, and that's the best way to do it. So advice number 2, use cloud accounting. I would strongly advise you to consider subscribing to cloud accounting software package like Xero, for example. That is the one I would recommend. This way you will stay on top of your bookkeeping. It's really much easier to do it in the cloud, and it saves you loads of time, gives you real-time access to your financial information, and allows you to manage your business easily. If you are looking for some advice on what package is best for you, I will be really happy to assist. Tip number 3, you can choose to engage an accountant. You may feel that doing the accounts is too much to handle for you, or simply you don't have enough time to do it, you don't want to do it. In this situation, you can engage an accountant to help you with your bookkeeping. The accountant will set you up in the cloud system. We recommend Xero, as I said, and they will also advise you on the accounting and tax matters, and they can support you with everything. You can also give them access to your books. If you already have access if you are using cloud accounting, you can give them access to your books, and they can manage the accounting processes for your business. Again, if you would like to talk about this, I will be delighted to help.